Greetings, viewers. This is CP666 back again with my backup server. It's got all 6 drives, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the boot drive over to one of these. Clearly I need to clean my camera lens, but this is an Apacer Industrial SSD. 16 gigabytes in size. You don't need a whole lot for a boot drive in a Sigma NAS server, which is what this is. I'm going to reload the OS from scratch, and in the process, well, after I'm done doing that, I'm going to have to load the XML file back in. I'm also going to be changing the power supply, because the power supply that's in it, even though it is 80 plus rated, does not have nearly enough SATA power connectors in order to run all of the equipment that's in that machine, and I want a different power supply that's got a lot more SATA on it, and it's also modular. Okay, I made a mistake on this one. There will not be a new boot drive, no SSD, because it's using one of the data drives as the boot drive, and I'm not screwing around with that. So that's what's going on with that. I did change the power supply. This is the original one, which, yes, is 80 plus rated, but I can use that in a machine that's going to run more often than this one anyway. This is the power supply that I put in, which is larger in terms of wattage, 430, although I don't really trust it being an Antec power supply. I guess we'll find out what happens if it instantly blows up when I do this. Which it doesn't, and it actually turned on. I have no keyboard attached, not that I think it really matters. You do get our beep. I just want to make sure the thing's going to boot and all the drives are going to show up before I put it away. So this is going to be a really quick video. I don't have to do any real work. Well, that much passed. The fan is running, everything seems to be working. It allowed me to eliminate all of that in terms of connections. Basically a Molex splitter, a dual SATA splitter, and a Molex to SATA and Molex splitter. Still wasn't enough to eliminate everything, but I thought there were 3 connectors per thing here. Let's see if we can turn the video light on so you can see that. Yeah, it is modular. I thought there were 3 per connection. There's only 2. So that's the way that it ended up having to be. So we'll let that start and see what's going on. Okay, so here it is. All the drives are accounted for. So there's no shenanigans going on there. Although it is on the wrong network. I guess it doesn't really ultimately matter. I don't see any interesting messages there. We go to information. All of the drives are there and accounted for and working, so there's no issue. Smart-wise, does not look like there's a problem anywhere. I mean, I know that one is upset. It is what it is. Apparently it's running off of the ATA bus for some reason. I don't know why. This is the boot drive. It's working. This drive is also working, and I know that this one did have some uncorrectable errors. I'm not going to worry about it. I really don't care. Who cares? And this is also working. Looks like everything is accounted for and good to go. So I can put that back in the closet and announce this video concluded. So like I said, quick little thing. Not really much to do with this, but as long as it's working, I'm okay. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off, and I hope to see you next time. Till then. Very loud.